In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the undo and redo commands in AutoCAD, two essential tools that can dramatically enhance your workflow efficiency. Whether you're in the middle of intricate designs or making quick sketches, these commands can help you seamlessly manage any changes you make. Let's start with undoing actions. Understanding how to efficiently reverse actions can save you from a lot of potential frustration. The most common way to undo your most recent action is by using keyboard shortcuts. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl and Z together. If you're a Mac user, you'll want to press Command and Z. This is a quick and intuitive method to roll back your last step and can be repeated to undo multiple actions one step at a time. Another convenient way to undo your actions in AutoCAD is via the Quick Access toolbar. Here, you'll find the Undo button prominently displayed. Just click on it, and your most recent action will be undone. This is particularly handy if you prefer using your mouse over keyboard shortcuts. Now, if you want more granular control over your undos, the command line is your friend. You can type in the word undo, or simply use its shortcut U and press Enter. After doing this, you can specify the number of actions you'd like to undo. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to roll back multiple changes at once without having to hit undo several times. Moving on to redoing actions. If you've undone something and decide you want to bring it back, AutoCAD has you covered. On Windows, press Ctrl and Y together. For Mac users, it's Command, Shift and Z. These keyboard shortcuts let you redo the most recently undone action, allowing you to quickly rectify any accidental undos. Just like the undo function, the Quick Access toolbar also features a Redo button, again placed for convenient access. Clicking this button will redo your last undone action, seamlessly restoring your design to its former state. For those who prefer the command line, simply type redo and press Enter. This is a straightforward method to repeat an undone action, especially for users who are comfortable with command inputs. There is a crucial point to remember when using these features. The redo command is only available right after you've used the undo command. If you perform any other action after undoing something, you'll lose the ability to redo. This means you should carefully consider your steps if you anticipate needing to redo an action shortly after undoing it. Lastly, remember, the ability to undo multiple actions at once is a powerful feature of the undo command. Specifying the number of actions to reverse can significantly enhance your control over the design process and save time. So next time you find yourself needing to undo a series of changes, keep this functionality in mind. And that's it. Mastering these essential commands can streamline your AutoCAD workflow, ensuring you maintain complete control over your design process.